As in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited points on 7-Eleven app. This actually works. So as you can see right there, we can actually increase our points. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works, guys. It's super insane. So if you want to have a ton of points on the 7-Eleven app, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video, guys. This actually works. It's super insane and you can get unlimited points. Guys, so I'm going to show you exactly how to get unlimited points on the 7-Eleven app. It's with this app, 7-Eleven Plus. So when you open it up, as you can see, it says like how many points I have at the top, and then I can press add, and it's going to go up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. So let's get right into the video, guys. So what you need to do first is we're just going to go over to Google. Alright, so once you're on Google, guys, go to the search bar. And you just want to type in zoo mods basically. Alright, so let me just go ahead and do that right here. So I'm just going to type in zoo mods. So once it comes up, guys, you want to go over to this site, and we're just going to go to the search bar and type in 7-Eleven. And as you can see, guys, it says 7-Eleven mods. So just press on that. It's going to start to download. So be sure to go ahead and try this out because it actually works. It's super insane. I can increase my points far beyond anything that I would have had normally. So as you can see, guys, I got 9,990 points at this point. So it's super cool. I mean, this actually works, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself and get the word out, because this is super cool. And if you're a 7-Eleven user, you want these entrees and stuff, like you can actually get this fully updated, guys. And all you got to do is just go to Google, go to the search bar, and just type in zoo mods. Once you get onto the site, guys, just go to the search bar and find 7-Eleven, press on that, and you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, get the word out. This actually works, guys. Super insane. So yeah, it's super cool. I'm really happy with my 7-Eleven life now. As you can see, 17,000 points, 18,000 points. Bro, this is crazy. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. Get the word out. This actually works, guys. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have fun with this.